God has created the tree, and the tree has grown in such a shape. When you take this, instead of burning it up, you paint it and you put it in a house, it could go for $5,000. And if a school, if a student, if a child, if a person picks interest in nature, then they are likely to produce a lot of wealth out of just nature. Look at that piece of tree there, the fire tree. It also has its own beauty. Each neighboring tree the same. If all these trees can be shaped up, this garden can become an agritainment center. Some people have never seen a tractor work. Others have never seen soybean grown beyond 1 acre. We are always used to the little gardens. Maize, yes, we have seen a lot of maize grown on acres because of the prisons and institutions of that kind. But for some other crops like beans, we are only used to the little acreages. So we would like to show our children that it is possible in the villages, it is possible in our localities to get artistic, to become, to mechanize agriculture, to do a lot of things. The next plowing, we shall not do any plowing in this garden for the next season. We are simply going to do planting, what is called zero tillage. That is again another science that we like to teach the people. That you don't have to till the land all the time, because it causes the nutrients to go down under the soil, and the crops that are on the surface may not benefit that much. We are here suffering, we don't have water. We would like to do some irrigation in this place as well, so that we probably can have three seasons instead of one. This morning we are on a goat farm, and we are told that goats deliver twice a year, but the sheep do it 3 times. And since we are a church community, I think we should go for the sheep rather than the goats. We should stop being goats which harvest twice, but the sheep that harvests 3 times. And it's possible to grow a crop on this piece of land using irrigation, and we harvest 3 times. 3 months, 3 months, 3 months, at most 4. That makes 12 months in a year. And that is possible with irrigation. We expect that when it starts to rain, there will be some water here. We need to create dams here. We need to dig water, and then we push it up on the hill, and then it comes down by gravity flow. All this is possible. We teach it in theory, we must do it in practice.